the vector calculus topic, line integral. What is line integral? Any integral which is to be evaluated along a curve, like this is the curve AB. Any integral which is evaluated along this curve in the x, y and z axis is called line integral. Let us, we are having function f. f1 is the function in the x-axis, I cap is the position vector in x-axis, f2 is the function in y-axis, f3 in the z-axis. And we are having the r, that is xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Let us differentiate this equation with respect to r. When we differentiate this, we get here 1 dx dr dy dr dz dr, and we get dr is equals to dxi cap plus dyj cap plus dzk cap. And when we integral along the curve f dot dr, f vector dot dr vector. What is the dot product of f dot dr? As we know, I dot I is equals to 1, k dot k is equals to 1, j dot j is equals to 1. But when we multiply I with j and k, we get 0. Similarly, when we multiply j with I and k, we get 0. Similarly, when we multiply k dot product with I and j, we get 0. So, as we know, I dot I is equals to 1. So, f1 dx, f2 dy and f3 dz. So, when we will evaluate this function, an integral along the curve C, f dot dr, this will be equals to integral along C, curve C, f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. This is the question based on line integral. We have to find the line integral along the curve, and we are having the f dot dr. Here we are having function f is equals to x square I cap plus xyj cap, and c is the curve. Now y square is equals to x joining the 0 0 to 1 1. This is the x and y axis. Here, as we know, this is the origin, so we are having x here, x is equals to 0 and y is also equals to 0. So let us suppose here we are having x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 1 here. So x equals to 1, y equals to 1, our point is here, x1 and y1. Now, as we have to find line integral along this line OP, line joining 0 0 to 1 1, and the y square is equals to x. What is this? This is the equation of parabola along the positive x axis. This is the parabola that passes through the 0 0 to, that passes through the point 0 0 to 1 1. So let us begin with how to solve this question. First we will found what will the dr vector. It will, as we are having only x and y, so it will be dx I cap plus dy j cap, and f dot dr vector along the curve C is equals to x square into dx I cap, sorry, I dot I is equals to 1, so that we will not write, plus xy d. Now, to integral this curve, let us convert full equation into the y or full equation to x. We will convert full equation to y. So, we will put the value of x is equal to y square into this. X square is equals to what will be the dx, as y square is equals to x. When we will derive it with respect to y, we will get dx is equals to 2y dy. So we will write here the value of dx 2y dy plus value of x y square into y. Now here we are having integral along the curve, but as we are integral along the curve from 0 to लेके 1 तक, means we are having the y, firstly lower limit y 0, upper limit of y we are having 1, 0 to 1. So now we will evaluate this 0 to 1. 2y, here we are having y to the power 4, y to the power 4 into 2y dy plus y to the power 2 plus 1 power y to the power 3. From here we are having 2y5 dy plus 5 cube plus 2. When we integrate this, we will get 2. As we know, when we integrate y with respect to power 5, we get increase in power and we divide with that. Next we get so now first we will put the upper limit 1 power 6 is 1 power 4. Next we will put minus, we will put lower limit. But as we know, when we will put here 0, our this whole gets 0. When we will put 0 here, this also gets 0. So we are ignoring that minus. So we can write minus 0. Now 1, 3. Now we get 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Here we get 12, 4 plus 3. So our answer is 7 by